Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Instead of having the usual row by row show tonight, we're spending time with our family as we hope you are as well. But we just want to take a few moments and express our gratitude and thankfulness this evening. So many things to be thankful for in this year of uncertainty. We're thankful for our customers. We're thankful for the fact that you allow us to help you grow your own food. And you know what? So many of y'all inspire us as well. So it's just not a one-way street. And we're thankful for you all out there. And we think of you as not only customers, but as family.
We're also thankful for our health this year and our health of our family. We've had some answered prayers and we're a lot better off this year health-wise than we were last year.
Absolutely. So many things to be thankful for out there. It's just time won't allow us to go over all of it. But we just wanted to wish each and every one of y'all a happy Thanksgiving and tell y'all just how much y'all mean to us. So we got a little treat for you tonight. We're going to be we're going to be preparing a dinner out of our garden, foraging out of our garden. We're going to share that with you and stay to the end and we'll share our meal with you.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Let's go gather some groceries. Hey folks, it's the middle of November here and we having a huge harvest of our fall garden. I want to share with you what you can grow in the fall. Live off the land, grow your own groceries. Okay, I'm a big proponent of fall gardening, but heck, I just love gardening. Okay, so let's get that off the table. But you folks out there that are not growing a fall garden, it is a way to provide you with all kind of goodies going into the fall. Now, some of our things are playing out like our tomatoes and our okra, but there are plenty of other things that will be giving us harvest for the next few months. So I want to share with you some of the things we got coming off in our fall garden right now. Here is our multiplying onions. Now we call this the Tom variety here, and I want you to look how they've bulbed up. Planted these back in September. We've been doing a lot of work with these for the last couple of years. These are absolutely wonderful coming into Thanksgiving to have a nice green onion that you can grow and you can cook with there. Look how nice those are. Look at the root system on that. And also these French breakfast radishes, look at there. Now these things are easy to grow. So if you're a little nervous about growing a fall garden, you gotta be growing these French breakfast radishes. It's one of the easiest things to grow out there and they're really quick to produce. Wonderful in a salad. Sun sugar tomatoes, look at there. Man, aren't those things gorgeous? And they taste just as good too. We didn't even have but one of these plants and it has given us a tremendous amount of harvest in the fall. We use them in a stir fry, we use them in a salad. Absolutely delicious. Yep, jambalaya okra. We're still getting okra. Now the okra's about over with, but we have got plenty of okra during the fall. Fall's a great time to plant okra and to harvest okra as well. Look at there. Our fall tomato crop has not done as well as in years previous, but we've still had plenty of fried green tomatoes to enjoy this fall. Got a couple of ripe ones here that we picked because cold weather's going to knock them out, so we're going to let these ripen inside. But we have enjoyed a lot of these fried green tomatoes this fall. The variety we grew this fall was Florida 91. And you got to have peppers. Our fall garden crop of poblanos did well, banana pepper, and jalapeno pepper. Now you don't need a lot of these, probably 3 or 4 plant seeds, but if you take care of them, these things will produce well into the fall. And we got to talk about kohlrabi. This quick start variety here is a must-have in the garden. Grows off real quick, beautiful color to them. These things are wonderful roasted, coleslaw, multitude of ways you can prepare them. And we got to talk about microgreens. These are the done pea microgreens we're harvesting. We use this as a base for most of our recipes. We either stir fry it down, tastes a lot like spinach, or we use it as a salad, eating it raw, and mix in our tomatoes and other things for nutritious, wonderful salad in the fall of the year. Now it's time to get this homegrown medley in the oven. We're going to take our olive oil that Ms. Hoss made. She infused it with some of our herbs. We're going to put it on our dish here. We're going to spread it around. That's going to keep it from sticking. Love me some olive oil. All right, got that good done. Then we're going to douse everything down with olive oil. Those microgreens, all our tomatoes, onions, okra, radishes, peppers. Yep, get it all worked in good. Then let's put a little seasoning salt on it. And my favorite, Mr. Cavender's. Got to put plenty of Cavender's on it. And why not put a little bit of garlic and herb on there. Yep, time to put it on that dish. We're going to put our microgreens down first, because they're going to cook down pretty good. And let's put everything else on top. There's that kohlrabi, tomatoes, okra, onions. Got to have a little bit of everything. And that kohlrabi is going to be good. There, I'm going to eat that one. All right, there we go. Hey, let's put some more olive oil on there. Yep. Yep. We better add a little more Cavender's. All right, let's put her in the oven. We cooked it for about 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Now I'm gonna top it off with a little Parmesan cheese. Now we're ready to eat. You know, used to we thought we had to eat meat at every meal. But you know, we don't have any meat in this. This is just pure vegetables out of the garden. We had a little Parmesan cheese, we had a little olive oil, but everything else come out of the garden. We're growing our own food, being sustainable. How about that? Not only is it good, it's healthy for you.
There's radishes. They're so good. And that kohlrabi, people don't know how to fix this, except in cabbage.
Yep.
Roasted is the bomb.
Yep. All different kind of flavors in there and textures in the okra, peppers.
Look at that okra.
Radishes. I love these plates. We bought these little dishes at a gift store in Port St. Joe, Florida. And what we love about them is you can cook in them and you can eat in them, and you just got 2 dishes to clean up. Pretty neat.
That too.
Yep. Man, what a meal.
What a meal. Fresh from the garden this afternoon.
So if you don't know what you're going to eat for supper, just go out there and graze around in that garden, get a little bit of everything, pop it in there, get a little creative with it. You make you a nice meal anytime you want it, nice healthy vegetables. So go check our website out, www.hosstools.com, because we're all about helping you grow your own food.